Sweet potato and chickpea skillet. We're going to start by adding all of our spices to our already pre-measured half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Red pepper flakes contain capsaicin, which supports metabolism, reduces inflammation, and adds that perfect kick of heat. Now we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Cumin is a great source of iron, which supports energy levels, and it also contains plant compounds that help with digestion. Here we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively and supports digestion. Next, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt to bring all the flavors together and help maintain electrolyte balance. Here we'll add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, which support eye health, immune function, and healthy skin. Then we're adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder gives us vitamin C and quercetin, an antioxidant that supports immune health and helps reduce oxidative stress. Lastly, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound known for supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. Now, let's blend that all together. After it's been thoroughly blended, we'll set it aside for our skillet later. Alright, let's start by dicing our 4-ounce onion. Onions contain vitamin C and antioxidants that support immune health, and they also have natural compounds that help reduce inflammation. Now we'll cut our 1-pound pre-peeled sweet potato into cubes. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. That supports eye health, immune function, and gives your skin that natural glow. They're also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports digestion. Make sure to set your stove to medium-high heat. Instead of olive oil, I'm using 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is high in vitamin E, which supports skin health, and it contains healthy fats that help reduce inflammation. Once the oil is warm, we'll add 4 ounces of diced onion. Let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it softens and becomes translucent. This is where the flavor base starts to build. Next, we'll add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Garlic is rich in allicin, which supports heart health, boosts the immune system, and has natural antibacterial properties. Stir it in and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Garlic cooks fast, so we just want it fragrant, not brown. Now we're adding 1 pound of diced sweet potato. Here we'll sprinkle in our full seasoning blend: the smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. Stir well so every piece of sweet potato gets evenly coated. This is where the color and aroma really start to come alive. Now we'll add 1/2 of a Knorr vegetable bouillon cube and pour in 1/2 cup of water. This gives the skillet moisture to help the sweet potatoes soften, and it adds a deep, savory flavor. Make sure to dissolve the bouillon cube thoroughly. Cover the skillet and let everything simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. Stir occasionally so nothing sticks. Once the sweet potatoes are soft, we'll add 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Chickpeas add protein, fiber, and make this skillet extra filling. Now we'll add 2 ounces of fresh spinach. It wilts down quickly, so just fold it in gently until it softens and turns bright green. And to brighten everything up, we'll finish with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This adds freshness and balances the warmth of the spices. Give everything one last stir, taste for seasoning, and adjust if you need to. And here's the nutrition breakdown for the full recipe. The entire skillet comes out to about 815 calories, with 146 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein, and 17 grams of fat. It's a nutrient-dense, high-fiber, low-fat meal that's super filling without being heavy. When we divide that into 6 servings, each portion comes out to around 136 calories, with 24 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fat. It's light, balanced, and perfect for meal prep or a quick, healthy lunch. If you enjoyed this recipe and you want more simple, nourishing meals like this, go ahead and stick around. I post new videos every week, and there's so much more coming. If this is your kind of cooking, I'd love to have you back for the next one.